Hi Kevin, Spencer from Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough, Maine. Wanted to put together a video tour of one of the models you inquired about. Beside me is a 2022 Mercedes-Benz AMG GT53. This is a unique vehicle, so we wanted to put together a quick video tour, walk around the car, talk about the design characteristics and options equipped in this particular model. So, AMG GT53, this particular model is finished in a MANUFAKTUR Starling Blue Magno. It's a matte blue paint. We've got AMG Sport styling, so Pan American style grille, tons of that matte blue all over the vehicle. We got a nice front bumper there, also in the same blue. Under the hood is a 3-liter inline 6-cylinder engine. It has an EQ boost, which is a small electric engine, works in conjunction with the gas engine, produces 429 horsepower, 384 pound-feet of torque, and that is routed to all 4 wheels via a 9-speed transmission. We have on the side of the vehicle here, beautiful 21-inch forged AMG wheels. I love that Y-spoke look. You get the nice satin finish, the sides, the gray, the nice edge there. It is so good of a contrast from the matte blue to that nice brushed wheel. We have turbo 4MATIC badging, chrome along our window frames. Again, a contrast from that Starling Blue Magno, chrome on the door handles, and GT 4-door styling gets us this long back, this big rear end, this long flowing window pane goes much further than just your rear seat, so you get this long sweeping continuing window all the way, much like GT styling of cars in the past. Around the back we get these nice flared wheel arches. We have these beautiful wraparound LED tail lights, trunk hood going over the LED tail light, not right down the middle, so you get this nice smooth taillight housing finish. We've got our retractable wing, which we put a video together for you, chrome AMG GT53 badging. Down below we've got this nice rear diffuser, good body lines, chrome dual tipped exhaust. Really a very unique, very special build. On the inside we have a beautiful saddle brown leather interior. Let's take a closer look at the inside. Inside the GT53, we can see the beautiful combination of saddle brown leather, black leather, carbon fiber. We get a nice contrast stitch. So starting with the door, we see the carbon fiber trim. We see the saddle brown with the black contrast stitching. Upper dashboard, black with the saddle brown contrast stitching. Heated seats, ventilated seats, power memory seats for the driver and passenger. Burmeister surround sound system, 64 color ambient lighting, currently set to blue. We have a trunk open right here. We can open and close the trunk of the vehicle. Now, coming across the dashboard, we have this nice big display setup, 2 12-inch displays, upper dash. We get a nice wrapped upper dash, saddle brown contrast stitching, carbon fiber all the way across the dashboard, flows seamlessly into the door panels, carbon fiber in the center, full touchscreen button control for our performance exhaust, our traction control, our rear wing, our driving modes. On the steering wheel, same thing. We have our turn indicators, our high beams, and our wipers here on the left stock, cruise control functions on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, phone, volume, voice control functions on the right. These very nice, very modern paddle shifters here behind the steering wheel. AMG drive unit for our driving modes, as well as some of our other sport settings. We have a Dynamica suede headliner, so this whole headliner is done in that beautifully soft and nice looking fabric. Sunroof up top here, so nice sunroof in the vehicle. Some important packages to note: this is a driver's assistance package vehicle, so adaptive cruise control, lane and steering assist, and lots of other safety features. But that self-driving tech means when you're using your self-steering and you're using your cruise control, you're driving on the road, hand does physically have to be on the wheel as such, but the car will basically do all of the steering for you. Diamond stitching in the seating, so it's a beautiful saddle brown and black upholstery. Dynamica suede inserts in the seats match the Dynamica headliner, so there's a lot of continuity in the car in terms of design and how all the options were picked. It makes it a very unique vehicle. Another important package to notice, and something we can look at, is actually in the rear seats. This is an executive rear seat packaged vehicle, and a lot of really cool options with that as well. Let's take a closer look in the back. Inside the rear of the GT53, we can see the extent to which the executive rear seat package goes. Now, we have beautifully designed upholstery. Same with the driver and passenger seat. We see this diamond stitch for the rear seats, dynamic suede inserts. You get this beautiful suede headliner here. There's lots of signature pieces to this executive rear seat package. We'll see this very nice embossed AMG heritage design logo right here. So a nice little finish. AMG silver accents in the seats. The executive rear seat package gets us our heated rear seats, more surround sound, more carbon fiber, and this very nice center console design. So in the center console of the executive seat package, we have a cigarette lighter, we've got some USB ports, we've got charging capabilities, and then down below we actually have a new touchscreen system. We can change our vehicle settings, media settings, we can see performance ratings to the vehicle, all from this little touchscreen system. Super easy to use. We can also adjust our climate control from the back. So as a passenger, we can adjust the climate control, the temperatures, so on and so forth. Now, we also have rear cup holders. Now, these are heated and cooled cup holders, so you'll see them light up blue when they're in their cooling mode, and we'll see them light up red while our heated cup holders are on. So a really nice option for the rear passengers. We wanted to put together just a quick video tour of this GT53. If you have any questions, 207-210-4796 is my personal cell phone number. You can call me, you can text me on that number. Our dealership is located in Scarborough, Maine. We're Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough. We can arrange transport anywhere in the United States, have this vehicle shipped directly to your house, do paperwork electronically or via overnight mail. Or if you'd like to fly to the Portland International Jetport, it's a 10-minute drive from the jetport to our dealership. We can pick you up, arrange the vehicle to be prepared, have the paperwork ready, you can drive the car home. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed.